We became tired of our financial situations, and then we set out to make researches on how to make money online. And then we came across a lot of people online telling us how we can make money easily through affiliate marketing, through YouTube channels, blogging, copywriting, and different means. Then we became so excited and felt that we were ready to get started. We all failed along the line because they lied to us. They told us it was very simple and easy to do. They never told us what it really entails to become successful in this niche. They made it look so easy and sounds like a piece of cake, only for us to venture into it and fail woefully. They told us that we can make a lot of money from cryptocurrency by buying the lows and selling the high. We ventured into it and invested our money in buying the lows, and then it keeps getting deeper until we lose all our funds. They also told us that we can make a lot of money as a freelancer by registering on Upwork, but then when we register, our account remains dormant and no client is coming forward because they never told us what it really entails to become successful as a freelancer. Before I became successful and started making money online, I was also caught in this web. I started a YouTube channel, blogging, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, copywriting, freelancing. I did everything, but then I failed because I didn't learn the basic, and then I put everything aside and started proper research on how to become successful and make money online. Many of these guys telling us that they started making money online from the first month actually lied to us. They never told us how they have been struggling from the past years, on how they failed on the different platforms they told us about. So many of them created thousands of videos on different YouTube channels before their current channel became successful. Many of them tried different affiliate marketing but couldn't work out for them, and some of them even went ahead and started selling ebooks to us on how to make money online. Meanwhile, their main source of income is from the ebooks they sold to us. Same with blogging. They told us that you can connect your domain to your hosting, post contents, and connect an AdSense account, and then you can start making money. But they never really told us what happens in the process of generating money from a blog. I'm sorry to tell you, but it was all a lie. They fooled all of us. Before I started making money online, I went through a lot of training and proper dedication. So before you can start making money online, you have to be dedicated and committed to what you're doing, and also you have to get a lot of trainings on the particular platform you're venturing into. Making money online entails catching people's attention, and for you to be able to catch people's attention, you must be creative, and then you must give value in whatever you're doing. As a YouTuber, you must be very creative in coming up with an eye-catching thumbnail and also an attractive title, and your video should offer a lot of value to capture people's attention on what they are searching for on YouTube before they can stay through and watch through your videos, and YouTube will start pumping your video out there for more people to watch. Also, as an affiliate marketer, you have to offer value to people out there. You have to show people what they really want to learn, what they really want to see before you can capture their attention and sell products to them as an affiliate marketer. As a freelancer, you cannot just put your gigs out there and expect clients to start following you. You have to be committed to it. You have to be offering a lot of values, and also you need money to boost your gigs so that clients can see it and contact you. And as a blogger, before you can start making money, you have to put up a lot of content out there, contents that are offering great values and with good keywords that can draw traffic to your blog before you can start making money from the visitors. And as a crypto trader, you don't just buy the dip and expect to sell the high because you get your hand bumped. You need proper training, and you need to stay updated with the crypto news to see how the market is going, and then monitor your trades properly before you can make money from cryptocurrency. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're looking for a way to make money online. And having gone through all the processes and gained a lot of experiences, I'm going to be making separate videos on how I started making good content on YouTube to get a lot of views, and how I started trading properly to make money on cryptocurrency, and also on how I started making money through affiliate marketing. So kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the bell notification button to get notified as soon as the videos are posted on this channel.